Al-Dareyn Modern School, hoyga aqoonta.
Okay, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Hello my students, this is our math class from 2 Mathematics. Today our topic is about volume of prism. So prism is one of the 3D shapes, three-dimensional shapes. Right, this is the shape of this prism. If you look at this shape, you can see here is a triangle, right? So the triangle has height and a base. So prism contains a triangle and a long side, call it the height or sometimes the length. If the base, this is the base of the prism. If the base of the prism is triangle, the prism we call triangular prism. So triangular means as a base of triangle. If we look here, those two prisms. The first one, we have here triangle base and also here. But there must be some difference between them. What? This line it not seem to be the height. Sometimes if this side is a sloping, we call the length. But if this side is a vertical, we call the height of the prism. So now you can see this is the base, actual base of this prism. And also this is a base of triangular prism, but this side is a sloping side. So sometimes it can be length, or sometimes you can call the height of the prism. So the volume of the prism, it is equal to base area. Base area. Base area means the area of this triangle, because of the base of the prism is a triangle. The base of the area times height times height. So base area times height, right? You can see here, this is the height of the prism. Sometimes it can be the length of the prism. Right. First example, work out the volume of the prism below in what? In liters. You can see here in liters. So volume of any shape can be measured in cubic centimeters, in liters, milliliters. So different units are available, but here liters are needed. So liter is a common unit that most of our Somali people use to measure the volume of any shape. Right, so we have to calculate the volume of the prism in liters. Right, this is our prism. So the base here is a triangle. So we have triangular base. And here is the height or the length. So two steps you can do. First, you can calculate volume by base area times height. You know, base area means area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. Area of a triangle times height. Which height? The height of this shape here is 10 centimeter. Sometimes this height can be the length. So, volume of the prism, we combine to calculate the base area, which is multiplied by the height. So, base area here is a triangle. So, first we will find, or we will calculate the area of a triangle, and then we have to multiply into the height. Right. So, volume will be area of a triangle, base area is 1/2 times pH. pH means base of a triangle times the height of the triangle. So this height is a special height that the triangle has, but it's not the exact height of the shape, overall shape. Here the bracket as a separation times the height. This height is the height of overall shape. So volume will be here 1/2 times the base here is 6 centimeter times the height here, the triangle height is 3 centimeter, which bracket must be made here, times the overall height this side is 10 centimeters. Okay. So you have to multiply and divide. The volume will be 6 times 3, 18 divided by 2, 9 centimeter square, because of centimeter times centimeter, times the height of the shape, which is 10 centimeter. If you multiply those two numbers, you will get 90 centimeter cubic centimeters. This is the volume of this prism, right? So use this formula to find the volume of this shape. Okay, right, students, next example. Arday tusaalaha labaad waxaynu ku qaadanaynaa mugga shaxankan oo loo yaqaano prism ama triangular prism. Triangle ka aad meesha ku aragto ardayo waa base. Adiga kulama muuqdo hadda, laakiin baalkan hadii la joojiyo wuxuu noqonayaa salkii uu ku fadhiisanayay. Line kan ama dhinacana waxa la yiraahdaa waa height, laakiin sometimes wuxuu noqdaa the length. Waa marka uu yahay sloping, mid janjeera. Marka volume ka waxaynu ka helaynaa here area the triangle ka, area of a triangle, area of a triangle, area of a triangle times the height. Height means overall height. This area of a triangle is base area. Base area. Base area here is the base of the shape was sulky. So the xagalkaas oo lagu dhuftay height ka dhammaan shape ka oo dhan. Waa yahay volume ki waxaanu ku helaynaa marka muggi triangle ka ama saddex xagalka maxaa lagu helaa area-diisa half lagu dhuftay base ka triangle ka ama salka oo lagu dhuftay jooga. Inta waxaynu xidhaynaa waa triangle ka weeya ama saddex xagalka. Waxaanu ku dhufanaynaa overall height, joogi guud ee shaxanku lahaa. Marka labadan joog way kala duwan yihiin, little bit different. Volume ka waxaynu ka helnaa marka 1 divided by 2 times base ku waa 4 centimeter waxaan ku sii dhufanaynaa jooga halkan lagu cabiray oo ah 5 centimeter intaas aynu ku xiraynaa qaws waxaan ku sii dhufanaynaa jooga shaxanka oo dhan leeyahay this oo ah 6 centimeter afar baynu shan ku dhufano 20 labana waynu u qaybin waa 10 centimeter lagu dhuftay centimeterna waa square centimeters waxaynu ku sii dhufanaynaa this 6 oo ah overall height waxa inoo soo baxaya the volume of this shape wuxuu noqonayaa marka 60 centimeter square marka kan lagu dhuftana waa cubic centimeters marka sidaas fudud ayaad ku soo saaraysaa mugga uu qaadayo shaxankan oo la yiraahdo prism or triangular prism. Here students, our next example is we have a given volume here, right? So the volume of this shape is 1.6 liters. So 1.6 liter. And here is 20 centimeters and here is 10. So this side is missing, right? So we have to calculate the length or the height of the prism. The length, this side can be the length of the shape or it can be the height of the shape, means the shape is a prism. If the side is sloping, it can be the length, or if the side is vertical, we call the height of the shape, no matter which one it is. So here, first, we have this formula. The volume of the shape overall is base area times the height of the shape. So today the volume of the shape is given. You know the volume of the shape here, but this is missing. The length or the height of the shape is missing. We have to calculate this. And the base area, you have 20 and the 10. We multiply together. So, first we have to find the base area. Here, the volume is 1.6 liter. Is equal. Base area, this is triangle, you know here. So we have to find the area of a triangle, which is half times base, here is 10, times height of 20. So times the overall height, which is x, because we do not have the value of x. 1.6 liter is equal 10 times 20, which is 200 centimeter square, divided by 2, which is 100 centimeter square times x. X means this height, you know, here. Here we have square centimeter and this is liter. So we have to change this unit because of different units cannot be divided together. So we have to change liters into cubic centimeter. So whenever you change liter into cubic centimeter, 1 liter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeters. Here 1000 cubic centimeters. So students, 1 liter is equal 1000 cubic centimeters. right? So here we have to multiply 1000. So 1.6 times 1000, which is equal to 100 square centimeters times x. Here 1600 cubic centimeters, because of here 1000 cubic centimeters, which is equal to 100 square centimeters times x. So here we need to have x only. We have to divide both sides into 100. So here divide 100 square centimeters, and here divide 100 square centimeters. So if we divide 100 here, so we will got 16 cubic centimeters, and here is x. So this side is 16 centimeters only. Here, students, only we have 16 centimeters, right? So this is the length of this x. Why are they? ugu dambeyn waxa la inaga rabaa side kan ama dhinacan waxa lagu magacaabi karaa waa dherer ama waa joog. haddii uu shape ku taagan yahay joog bay noqonaysaa, haddii uu jiifana dherer oo kale ayaa la cabiraya. marka koobaad area waxa soo saarna triangle-ka waxaan ku dhufanaynaa this. marka volume-ka waynu haysanaa 1.6, laakiin waa liter way kala duwan yihiin. marka you have to change liter into cubic centimeter waynaad bedeshaa. marka 1000 baa lagu dhuftaa, halkaa waan kugu qoray. So markaan bedelno dhinac walba waxaan u qaybinaynaa 100, waxaynu helaynaa marka 16 centimeter ayay la mid tahay dhinaca la weydiiyay. That's all today. Thank you very much, students.